What parish do you think has the most beautiful woman?
Which parish? Oh my God.
Which parish? I be artist at a girl. Right now, New York, I be artist at a blood clot girl. That's what I think. Big man there. New York, when I chat to them, they say, you can't call them all bitch. Nowadays, I see one of them, I say, sexy bitch. She just turn and start laughing. I say, yeah, that's right. Hey, I tell him, say,
Don't go St. Elizabeth one place in the junction. The girl here blue, green, orange, red, purple, and the girl them pretty and sexy, see boy? Around your fuck.
So, which parish do you think have the prettiest females?
Probably Manchester.
Manchester.
Manchester. Yeah.
Which parish you think have the most beautiful woman?
no, cabin, no, a girl chest and no, going a girl and clean down there.
Alright, no cap. Easy. Yo, bad chef.
Oh God.
Which parish you think say have the most beautiful woman?
St. Andrew.
St. Andrew.
Yeah.
Alright. Why?
You can't come from here.
Bad chef, you know what? Which parish you say have the
West Man are the prettiest at a girl, man, Manchester.
West Manchester.
West Manchester.
Alright,
That
bro.
is it.
Alright.
Prettiest possible.
Yo, so